Nakakalito ba talaga ang tanong ni Senator Win Gatchalian o yung witness mismo ay litong-lito na kung ano ba talaga ang isasagot niya sa mga tinatanong sa kanya?
After training, nakakuha ka ba ng certification na katulad sa kanila?
No, sir, but that certification that I was trained by them, sir.
Pero ikaw mismo, are you certified
I
to do forensic examinations for your purpose and responsibility?
I have a certification, sir. I am a certified computer hacking forensic investigator, sir.
Itong forensic analysis, meron kang for this purpose, itong pinag-uusapan natin.
The computer, the authentication, sir, part or as a whole, sir.
As a whole.
I have a certification in computer hacking, sir, specific. But I have trainings in relation to the...
Iba yung hacking eh. Yung pinag-uusapan natin, forensic examination ng video, forensic examination ng mga ganitong bagay. Meron kang certification doon?
I have certificate, sir.